So in the last video, we ended up unboxing the Marvel Corps Avengers Endgame mystery box. Had a couple of great items in there. You should definitely check out that video. But in the end of that video, and of course in the thumbnail and the title of the video, today we are unboxing the Marvel Studios 10-year anniversary Thanos with a Throne, which was a Hot Topic exclusive. Did this come out a year ago, but they didn't make enough as usual with these exclusives, and they were selling them for such ridiculous prices online. And the other day when I was at the Swami, it wasn't at such a ridiculous price. It was only like $4 extra than you would have paid for originally getting this at Hot Topic with tax. So I decided to buy one, and of course let's now get to the unboxing. So wow, this is definitely a lot bigger and heavier than I thought this was going to be. So here we are with the Thanos with the floating throne. Of course, they used a clear base to represent the floating throne. They do have like rockets all over the throne, as if it were to be levitating in the actual movie. As you can see, the throne ain't that big. It's not like the Iron Throne from Game of Thrones or anything like that. And this does seem like a way bigger Funko if he were to be standing than a regular Funko. So here's the Captain America holding Mjolnir from the Marvel Corps unboxing that I mentioned earlier. And just comparing him, look how small Captain America is compared to Thanos sitting down on the throne. So it's definitely a very big Funko. And I mean, it's just very cool to see an intimidating looking Thanos with his armor menacingly smiling while sitting on his throne. But anyways guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop that like and share this video. If you're new here and want to see more theme park fun, nerd stuff, unboxings, and just fun stuff in general, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And also don't forget to check out my socials at Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Fausto Pebbles. And as always guys, I hope to see you all in the next video.